Welcome to Code Jogging. In this video, we are going to look at some one or two things I think we should have done in um, a video on nested navigation in Compose UI. Because now let's look at the problem that I just noticed when I was going through the app. I realized that when the user click on Get Started, okay, and the user is on the login screen page, when the user click on back, we are supposed to close the app. Okay, we are not supposed to go back to our splash screen again. Once they click on Get Started, we have to remove that screen, okay, from the navigation history. Okay, so that when the user click on Next, there's no previous screen in the navigation history list. So we should close the app. Ideally, that's how it's supposed to be. Because if you are building an official app, that's how it's supposed to be. You shouldn't allow your users to see the splash screen when they click on back again. Even if they're on home page or profile page, as far as the splash screen is concerned, we are not supposed to allow them to see it again. Once they see it once, that's all. So for us to fix that issue, this is how we are going to fix it. We have to remove it from where we are navigating our user to the next page. So with this one, we are navigating our user to the register route. Okay, so this register route here. So where we are navigating the user to register route, so this is the get started. Okay, so that's where we have to remove the splash screen from the list. Okay, so now let's do that. Okay, so what we are going to do is where is the get started? Okay, so we sent it to desktop here. So when we put the cursor on this one, we have the routes, the nav option, the navigator extra. Okay, so now what we are going to do here is to call this one. Okay, so with this body that we've added to our navigation, let's click on it. So we have the nav option builder here. Okay, so we have it here. We can remove a screen from our navigation history list. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to call pop-up. So means remove, so pop-up 2, then we pass the screen that you want to remove, that the splash dot route. Okay, then we give it a body here, then we add the inclusive to true. So with this two lines of code here, when the user click on get started here, it will remove the splash screen from the navigation history list. So now let's execute our code. So let's execute our code and try and see if we've been able to remove the splash screen from the navigation history list. So let's click on get started. Okay, so now let's go back. Yes, so ideally this is how our app is supposed to run. Okay, so now in case with this video, if you have any question, you can leave it at the comment section, and then if you've not subscribed to our channel, please kindly subscribe to our channel. In our next video, we are going to look at how we can pass data from one screen to another in navigation in Compose UI. See you in our next video. Bye bye.